Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up D-Link M30 AX3000 Eagle Pro AI Mesh Router. If your router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this D-Link M30 AX3000 router setup is one of the best solution. The D-Link M30 AX3000 is a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 mesh router designed to provide fast, stable, and wide-ranging wireless coverage for your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the power adapter into the M30 router and then into a power outlet. Wait for the LED on top to blink orange, this means it's ready for setup. Use the included Ethernet cable, plug one end into the one port, globe symbol, of the M30. Plug the other end into the LAN port of your modem. Download the D-Link Eagle Pro AI app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Launch the app after installing it. If you're a new user, tap Sign Up to create a D-Link account. If you already have an account, tap Log In and enter your details. Tap Add Device or the icon on the home screen. Select M30 AX3000 Mesh Router from the list. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code, found on the bottom of the router or on the quick installation card inside the box. The app will prompt you to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi. Find the default network name, SSID, on the router label. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings, connect to that network, and return to the app. The app will check your internet. If needed, select your internet connection type. Enter a Wi-Fi name, SSID, of your choice, e.g., home Wi-Fi. Create a strong Wi-Fi password, minimum 8 characters. This will be your main wireless network for all devices. Review your settings. Tap Next or Finish. The app will save and apply your settings. The router will restart. The LED will turn solid white, this means the router is fully set up and connected. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.